song about a man called Keena Express. With his Alfa Romeo, he's a speed freak and a man. Broad shoulders like giants and the physique of hot sex. All the ladies in the house want a piece of the Keena man. He's a man of few words, a machine of pure brute strength. Underneath the tough exterior lies a tender soul who cares. But don't let it fool you, he's as fucking tough as Caesar the 10th. And you'll break your fucking head to your sister only using one hand. It's the Keena Express, everybody wanna ride the express. It's the Keena Express, everybody wanna ride the express. It's the Keena Express, everybody wanna ride the express. It's the Keena Express, everybody wanna ride the express. Yeah, Keena's the man, he's the man with a fucking plan. He will conquer the world just by giving her an evil glare. He is moving too fast, you better catch him if you can. Try and fuck up his plans, but stop him if you can. He'll show you his kindness if there's a damsel in distress, or a big black woman giving birth to a Japanese man. With his bulging pectorals and his bulky smooth biceps, he's gonna find the cure for every STD known to man. 'Cause he's the Keena Express, everybody wanna ride the express. It's the Keena Express, everybody wanna ride the express. Yeah, it's the Keena Express, everybody wanna ride the express. It's the Keena Express, everybody wanna ride the express. It's the Keena Express, everybody wanna ride the express. Woo! It's the Keena Express, everybody wanna ride the express. It's the Keena Express, everybody wanna